Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you this Instagram baddie sort of look, and it is inspired by Ariana Grande. Now, the first thing that I want to clear is, yes, this is a wig. My hair is in no way as thick as this. It's not thick at all. I wish it was, but it's not. Anyway, I did not plan on making this so Ariana Grande inspired, but the hairdo sort of made it like that, and it kind of goes. She is sort of like the face for basic bitches. She has that sharp wing, those lips, those brows, everything. I think she fit the description quite well, and here we are. So if you want to see how I created this extra AF look, then please keep on watching, and if you like looks like this, then do subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. Also comment down below if you would like to see more transformations or inspired looks, then I can definitely do that for you. So yeah, if you want to know how I went from drab to fab, then please keep on watching. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to prime my face, and for that I'm using the Maybelline Master Prime Primer. I'm first going to just dot it all over the areas that I want to be blurred out, and then I'm just gonna pat it all in. Now for foundation, I'm using this Loreal Infallible foundation in 105, and this is the first time that I actually use the foundation, so I didn't really know that it was so matte and it would dry so quickly. So as you can see, I applied a lot of it, and then I took a lot of time to shoot. I'll be using this beauty blender by Plume, and I actually got this as PR. This was actually my first PR, so I'm really thankful for that. Now this is a new kind of sponge. It is really fuzzy and has microfibers, which is not supposed to take away the coverage of any of your products. I had to work really hard with it, and that's because I kept my foundation on for a long time, and that's why it just kind of sat on my skin. So I applied the second layer, and the foundation was blended in beautifully by the blender. It did not take away any of the coverage, and I got that full coverage in this second layer. Now I'm going in with the MAC concealer, which is again a very full coverage concealer, and I'm just gonna dot it over my eyes, and I'm going one at a time, and then I'm going to blend it out again. This did not take away any of the coverage. It's not as soft as the other blenders, but then it does not soak up any product whatsoever. For brightening purposes, I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I'm going to put it in an inverted triangle shape under my eyes. We want to bring out all the features that we want to highlight on our face, because that's going to show on camera, and that's what you want to do for Instagram. And then again, I'm just blending it out. I'm also putting it on the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, and on my mouth area to also brighten them. Powder, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in light, and I'm going to be baking my face with it. Now I would never generally bake my face if I'm going out, because I do have dry skin and this will make it even more dry. But on Instagram you want that complete matte and blank canvas to work with, and that's why, to just showcase that, I'm going to be baking my whole face. This just provides like very smooth and blank canvas for all the rest of the makeup, and it looks pretty flawless on camera. Moving on to eyebrows, I'm going to use this Innisfree Auto Eyebrow Pencil, and I'm going to fill in my brows very strongly. I'm also increasing the arch of my brows just to make them look more defined and bold. Now on a day-to-day basis, I would just fill in my brows, but for Instagram you want to make them look way more defined. For eyes, I'm using only one eyeshadow palette, and this is the Rose in the Air palette by Wet n Wild. Using this warm transition shade, I'm going to put it on my crease, and then taking this cool tone transition shade, I'm also putting it over that. These two warm brown shades, I'm going to put it all over my lids, and then taking this darker shade, I'm going to put it on the outer third just to darken it up. Now on Instagram, this is a sort of glam look that I usually see, and that's why I'm trying to recreate that. I'm also blending all the edges out just for a seamless effect. Now using this gold shade, I'm just gonna put it as a wash of color on the inner third of my eyes. Then using my fingers, I'm just gonna intensify it. Now I'm just blending everything together. Using the Nykaa Get Inked eyeliner, I'm going to draw a fierce, bold wing because that is like the signature basic bitch look, or the signature Ariana Grande look in fact. So make sure that your wing is really sharp and spend a lot of time on it. I for one struggled to do this step, but yeah, if you're good at this, you have nailed the look already. Now using the Hyper Curl mascara, I'm just gonna coat my eyelashes. We're obviously going to go in with false lashes because it's an Instagram look. Without lashes, it's just like, hey, are you even there, lashes? So yeah, I'm going to go in with the false lashes, and these ones are by Huda Beauty in the style FARAH, and these are by far my favorite lashes ever. These just give so much drama to the look. To the face, I'm gonna use the Benefit Hoola bronzer, and I'm just gonna add it to the face to just give it an overall bronze and add some color to it. This is not exactly a contour, but more like an overall sort of bronze. For the actual contouring, I'm gonna use this sugar contour powder, and I'm gonna concentrate it just below my cheekbones and on my jawline as well. This is going to add a shadow to the face, which is going to make it look even more slender, and this is like the shiz on Instagram. Now I'm opting for a nose contour yet again because everyone does it on Instagram. You don't see any pictures of anyone without a nose contour on them. And I'm really trying hard to save my nose. To chisel out my face further, I'm just going to sharpen up the contour with the help of some loose powder, and then I'm going to blend it out so that it doesn't look as crazy. Blush, I'm going with this one by Sugar Cosmetics. This is a very beautiful and pigmented blush, which is necessary because you want the blush to show on camera, so go a bit heavy-handed with it. Now for highlighter, I'm using the Nykaa Cosmetics highlighter in Glitterati, I think, and using this champagne-y coppery shade, I'm going to put it all over the high points of my face with the help of a fan brush, and just go all out with it because you want to glow on camera and you want to intensify that glow. So I'm using this MAC Fix Plus, and I'm going to take a quick shower in it, and then for intensifying that glow even further, I'm using the other gold shade on the wet skin so that it has something to hold on to and look even more blinding. I'm also sharpening up the nose with the help of the highlight, and then also going on in my inner corners and under the arch of my brows. Lipstick, I'm going in with the MAC Cosmetics liquid lipstick in Topped with Brandy, and this is a very pretty cool toned nude shade, and this is very popular all over Instagram, shades like these. So I'm going to be putting it all over my lips, and this looks so gorgeous. It just pulls the look together. So if you guys enjoyed this video, do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!